The Ultra Spill Pallet P3 Plus is an all-polyethylene spill containment pallet for up to 3 55-gallon drums. The large 66-gallon sump capacity helps to meet EPA, SPCC, and Uniform Fire Code regulations. A low-profile 8 3/4 inch height keeps drum tops lower to the ground and makes pouring and dispensing into funnels safer and easier. The optional heavy-duty loading ramp quickly clips onto the side of the pallet, allowing drums to be loaded or unloaded without the use of forklifts or other equipment. The heavy-duty 4-inch thick polyethylene grating can be easily removed for inspection or cleaning of spilled liquids. Forklift pockets on 2 sides of the pallet allow the unit to be moved with forklifts, tow motors, or pallet jacks.